2020 was the year of webinars because we saw how they can change and shape your overall business overnight or in an year's period, right? There were so many offline businesses who were reluctant to move to the online world, and unfortunately, they ended up facing a lot of failures, right? A lot of them ended up bankrupt. But at the same time, there were so many offline businesses which moved to the online world, or there were businesses which started right from the online world, and most of them driven by webinars, and they saw huge success. Lots of such businesses earned thousands of dollars in a single year. In fact, some of them made millions of dollars in just 1 year. There are businesses who did revenues in one single year, in year 2020, which was more than their 3, 4, 5 years combined, or maybe their overall business combined. And that is what webinars can do for you when done in the right way. Because the entire trend is now changing to a world of webinars, and with each passing year, it is going to increase furthermore because people now realize the power of webinars, how they can shape and change and transform your business completely into a $1 million business in a single year, or maybe in just a small span of time. Hello, my friend. I am Robin, and I am your digital growth strategist and business automation expert. I am making this video to discuss my top 5 reasons why I so strongly believe that webinars are the superpower of 2021 in the world of online business. So let's straight away jump to the first reason, which is the rise of online education industry. See, according to the entire research market these days, all the credible sources, Statista, which is one of them, they state that the size of the global e-learning market was 200 billion US dollars in the year 2019 and was expected to hit 350 billion US dollars in the year 2025. And these are the projections which were made before COVID hit us. So you can imagine that after the effect of COVID-19 is taken into consideration, the size, what will the new projections will be for the online global e-learning industry? They are going to be crazy, right? And why is that? Because there are innumerable platforms these days like Skillshare, LinkedIn Learning, Udacity, Udemy, who have been growing leaps and bounds, helping thousands and millions of students and teachers both in the overall process, right? In fact, universities like Stanford and Harvard have started giving access to online courses on communication, engineering, computer science, business, art, development. So there is absolutely nothing that denies this growth right now. In fact, there are no more barriers in people's minds now to online education. They have started preferring it more to the traditional education programs or the face-to-face setup. So the online industry is on a super boom right now, and that is why webinars are going to grow, because they are the front runners in this online education industry. Now let's get to the second reason, which is scalability to hundreds and in fact thousands of people at the same point of time, right? What do I mean by that? See, webinars are the only platform right now, or the only business model in the world right now, which not only give you access to reach 100 people or 200 people, but thousands of people at the same time. There are platforms like Zoom, it's a household name now, over where you cannot, like, you not only can call or reach to 100 or 500 people in a webinar, but in fact to 1000, 2000, 5000, 6000 people in a single webinar. Can you imagine such kind of a scenario in an offline setup, in an event or a seminar or a conference, that you are calling 500 people every 10th day or every 15th day? It is almost next to impossible, right? And even if it is in some cases, just think of the amount of money that you're going to spend to make that happen, and the amount of operations and resource management that you'll have to do. It is going to make your mind go crazy. On the contrary, it is fairly simple to do in a webinar if you have put the right systems in place and you're implementing them and you're sticking to them 100%. One can always argue on the conversion numbers between an between an offline training model or an online webinar. But let me tell you, as an example of my clients, I have so many proofs where the webinar conversion numbers are even better in some cases than your offline training models, right? If not equal, they are sometimes better. And you can also do that, like I mentioned, only if you have the right systems in place. So webinars can scale your business not only to hundreds but thousands of people. And when it happens, just try to imagine the kind of money that you can make, the kind of impact that you can create, because there are thousands of people you're reaching at the same time. Now let's get to the third reason, which is webinars help you establish trust and credibility. What I exactly mean by that is, see, I run by a golden rule. Whenever I do a webinar, I teach in any course, I say that you are the product first, and then comes whatever you are offering. Now it can be a physical product or a service or a course, but you are the actual product, right? You are the face of your brand. You are the one who's making that brand and that company. People look towards you. If they trust you, if they have confidence in you, they are going to buy your product. But if they do not trust you, you are going to struggle to make sales. And that is where webinars come in. Why? Because when you do a webinar, you can reach directly to hundreds and thousands of people. You can tell them the problem that your product solves, right? The problem, which is essentially what people want to understand. You can tell them directly the features, the benefits, why should someone buy your product. And trust me, when it comes to sales, human to human interaction, right, is much more impactful than just someone sitting behind or an automation. So that is how webinars help you. They help you establish trust and credibility because you can go face to face with the people. The fourth reason is much lower cost as compared to any other business model. Why I say that is, see, profitability is all what matters in the business, right? Because the more profitable you are, the more money you have to reinvest in your business. When you reinvest money in your business, the more is the number of people you can reach, teach, educate, and help. And that is essentially what you want to do, right? So the scale to which you can take your business with webinars compared to the amount of money that you spend is just incomparable to any other business model. Like if you're a new person who's starting your business, right? If you're completely new, when you start with the webinar model, at the basic level, you just need an email marketing system, which starts probably at $15-20 per month, and that also with a trial period of 14 days. And then just one webinar platform, let's say Zoom, which is a household name, right? You just start with these two tools as a basic, and it will just cost you $40-50 a month, which you can definitely spend if you're starting a new business. And as and how your business starts scaling, it starts growing, you can keep on spending on more tools which can help you earn more and more revenue, right? See, you do not need to book a place like a banquet or a restaurant or hotel now to call people. You can do it from the comfort of your own home. People can watch it from the comfort of their own home. All you need is just a good audio, a video, and like internet, which is anyways the oxygen these days, right? So webinars are the best way. In fact, if you're starting your business, webinars are the best way to go because they offer you much more scale as compared to the cost that they incur. Fifth and the final reason is that webinars help you get instant feedback and develop a large customer base. Let me address this in two separate parts. First, let us discuss how does it help you get instantaneous feedback, right? So when you're doing a webinar in front of hundreds and thousands of people, you're directly talking to them, right? You're telling them the problem that your product solves, how it solves that, what are the features, benefits, right? And why should someone buy it? So you can get that reciprocation and understand if people are actually finding your product as a solution to their problems, right? If they're actually impressed by it, if they're actually finding it appealing. If not, you get an instant feedback that probably you need to change something in your product, right? You need to bring about some more developments before going live in the market because it's probably not appealing to people, and you're doing it at like hardly no cost, right? Or a very less cost rather than going physically in the market and knowing about that. The second part is developing a large customer base. How do you do that? See, when you run webinars, right, in the form of organic traffic generation or paid lead generation, you are getting more and more people in your database. And database, as we all know, is gold. When you run a webinar, like it is not mandatory that everyone will buy your product in the first go itself, right? Some people have a longer customer life cycle. They will buy it at a later stage when they see more of you, when they get impressed, right? But you need to understand that during that entire life cycle of the customer or entire life cycle of your webinar, you're getting more and more people into your database. Now, when you come in the future with a new product or a new service that you have made, you do not even need to spend money on bringing people to your webinar. You can send an email to the same people, you can send messages to same people. They will come to your webinar, they will get impressed, and they will eventually buy your product or services. Why? Because they trust you. Because you've been doing webinars, so they trust you, they have confidence in you. And without spending like any more money, or without even spending any extra penny on bringing people to these webinars through paid leads, you are just making lakhs and thousands of money. Maybe in some case, some people make millions of money also, just by calling the same people in their database, in their email list. Like nothing, spending nothing extra at all. So that is one way webinars help you develop a large customer base. And these people are not only dependent on your webinars. When they come in your system, they also check you out on YouTube. They check you out on your Instagram channel. They check you out on your Facebook. They go and check your website. So if your website has other products listed, you will make sales from there also, right? So webinars are a multiple stream of income. I hope you understood why I'm so strong. I'm such a firm believer of why the webinars are the superpower of 2021 in online business, and in fact in all the years coming ahead. So guys, this is the, like what we say, the bullet train that is running right now. You have to jump on this train right away. Otherwise, it will go so far from you that even if you want to, you will not be able to jump on it. So come to the comment box and tell me, will you jump on this superpower of webinars? I will see your comments and I will respond to that. And before I leave, like I always say, if you enjoyed my video, if you found value in my video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. That helps me keep motivated to make more of such videos, share more of my knowledge, whatever is there with you, which can eventually create some impact in your lives for your business, right? And that's it from me today. Thank you.